Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brevo Transactional emails for sending automated messages like order confirmations, password resets, and account notifications. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description below. You'll get access also to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Let's get started. So first, log into your Brevo account. Once you're inside, navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon that represents settings. This will open your account settings page. Under the organization settings, click on the option labeled Senders, Domains, IPs. Now, this section manages all of your sender identities and domain settings for transactional emails. Once you're on the senders page, you'll see a list of existing senders along with their verification status. To add a new sender, click on the Add Sender button at the top right corner of the page. Now enter the sender's name and email address that you want to use for sending transactional emails. After entering the details, click the Add Sender button. Now, when you do this, Brevo will send a verification email to the address you just added. Open your inbox, locate the verification message, click on the verification link inside. Now, once you have verified, you'll see the status change from not verified to verified on your sender list. If you plan to send transactional emails from your company domain, for example, at yourcompany.com, it's important to authenticate your domain. To do this, click on the Domains tab on the same page. This is where you authenticate your domain by adding DKIM and DMARC records to your domain provider's DNS settings. Now, these records help improve email deliverability and prevent your messages from landing in spam folders. No one wants that. After verifying your sender and authenticating your domain, move to the SMTP and API section from the left sidebar. You there? Okay. On this page, you can either use your SMTP credentials or generate an API key to connect Brevo with your website or application. To generate an API key, click on Generate a new API key. Give it a name and click Generate. Copy the key and store it safely. Now, you'll need it to integrate Brevo with your website or app. Now, you can use these credentials to send transactional emails directly from your platform. For example, your e-commerce website can now send order confirmation emails, your app can send password reset links, or your system can send automated notifications, all powered by Brevo. But before going live, make sure to test your setup. Send a test email using your integration and confirm that it's successfully delivered. This helps ensure that everything is configured correctly. Once the test email arrives, your setup is complete. You're now ready to use Brevo transactional emails for fast, secure, and reliable communication with your users. And if you'd like to explore advanced setups or automation options, click the link in the description for exclusive Brevo course and 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months. Well, that's it for this tutorial. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.